Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with ownership and legality first. You must confirm you legally own these beats and have proof of purchase. This matters because removing tracking can affect warranties and ownership records. Once done, make sure you've noted the serial number and any paired device info so support can verify identity quickly. You should not attempt covert techniques. Instead, prepare documentation and plan a call with Beats or Apple support. That keeps the process legitimate and protected. You want the middle of the process to be handled through official channels. Do not rely on unverified online methods. You'll contact Beats or Apple support and explain you need to dissociate or reset the device, and they'll guide you through supported options that protect your data and comply with policy. Once the agent confirms steps, follow them exactly and keep the ticket ID. Make sure to ask about warranty effects and any account implications so there are no surprises later. Finish by obtaining written confirmation from support that the device has been dissociated or reset. This protects you if questions arise. If something goes wrong, you should escalate with the ticket ID, request a supervisor, or contact consumer protection in your area. You can also visit an authorized service center for a hardware-level verification if you suspect persistent association. Remember, avoid methods that facilitate evading lawful tracking and rely on manufacturer processes to stay within legal and ethical boundaries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.